We're excited to announce the launch of the new PrimeCuts Automatic Downloader. This new program will automatically download your new music every week if you're a weekly subscriber, or every month if you're a monthly subscriber. The great part about this program is you can just set it up once and it will always run in the background and automatically download your music as it's released. I will now go through all the options you can adjust in the settings menu. First, you'll download the program from our website. This icon will appear and you'll use it to install the program. After you install it, you'll click on the PrimeCuts downloader icon to open, and then you'll click on the settings button. The first option you see here is music storage. Click the button on the right to choose where you'd like your music downloads to go. We recommend leaving everything you download here and then copying to wherever your main music library is stored. That way you have a complete backup of everything you've downloaded from us. Cache files. This is a file on your computer that gives the program all the information about what you've downloaded. Please do not change the location for the cache file. Username and password. This is the same username and password you use for the PrimeCuts website. For most users, it's your first initial and last name or your email address. Download options. Choose the series and files you'd like to download. This applies to weekly subscribers only. Monthly subscribers, these boxes will be grayed out, as it will automatically download everything for you. You can find a full list of what each letter or abbreviation stands for on the downloader page on our website. Audio format. There are 3 different options to choose from: MP3, FLAC, or WAV. File naming. The program is default to artist title version, which is how we name our files now. You can also choose to have it named with the release it appeared on and the track number, or title version artist. Over here on the left, you can see the Use Folders box. Checking this box will put each of the download options into a separate folder. For example, you'll have a folder for the week or month, like 2018-20 or PM0418. And then within that folder, you'd have a folder for hit disk A, B, C, or any of the series you choose to download. If you leave this unchecked, you'll have a folder for that release, and all the music files will be within that folder. Skip duplicates. The system will check to see if you've ever downloaded a song, and it won't download it again if you check this box. If you leave it unchecked, then it will download every song regardless of if you've downloaded it before. Auto start on logon. We recommend leaving this box checked so the program will always automatically start when your computer is restarted or when you log in. Clear cache. This will delete your download history and other settings about your downloads. Please do not hit the clear cache button unless we've asked you to. Now that it's all set up, I'm going to let the program begin downloading while I go over a few other things. For the purposes of this demonstration, I'm just going to download the songs that appear on PrimeCuts and the charts. So I'm just going to leave this P box checked and the charts folder. You'll notice that after I clicked that OK button, it doesn't appear to be doing anything just yet, and it says waiting down here. That's on purpose. The program is set to wait about 20 seconds after you close out of that window before it starts doing anything, before it starts downloading. That's so it can give you a chance to go back in and make any changes you might want to make before the program starts downloading. Now you can see the status has changed to running and downloads have begun. The downloader is set to check on a regular basis for a weekly or monthly download. As soon as it's available, it will download it in the background. You won't even know that it has started. We recommend leaving all the boxes checked and downloading every song from every series. You can choose to only copy certain folders to your main music library, but if you're downloading everything, you'll always have it in case you ever need it in the future. Saving that complete download somewhere is basically like having a full digital backup of everything we release. Whether you click the X or the icon, so the X right here or the icon right here, to try to exit out of the program, what it will do is we'll send it down to your system tray down in the bottom right hand corner by your time. That is to prevent you from closing out of the program accidentally. If you do ever need to fully close out of the program, you'll go down to your system tray, you'll find the icon, and you'll right click and you will say exit. We developed this because we know our subscribers are busy and didn't want to have to think about downloading their music every week or month. However, since we do only have 3 months available at any given time, We do recommend making a quick check of the program or your files every few weeks just to make sure it's downloading like it should. Finally, the last part of this is important for existing subscribers. The program always wants to have downloaded the last 3 months for you. So after it's all set up, it will download the last 3 months for you, like you can see it's doing right here. You can either keep those files and start a new system for your PrimeCuts downloads will go, or you can delete them. The program doesn't care if you move or delete the files, it just wants to have downloaded them one time for you. So now that just about 3 weeks have downloaded, we'll go over here, we'll just move this out of the way, and I'm going to go to the folder where they're downloading, and you can see the folders it's created. And then since I had the Use Folders box checked, it made a folder for PrimeCuts. If I had some of those other options checked, like one of the hit discs or Latin, there would be folders for those as well if I had the Use Folders box checked. If I didn't, then all the songs would just be right here in this folder. But then you can see right here, there's all my songs. So if I just let this run for a while, it's going to download everything for me. And then it'll just sit down here in my system tray and wait for next week's download or month download to be ready. We hope this tutorial was helpful for you. We'll continue to post the downloads on the PrimeCuts website, so you can always download from there if you want, but we think most subscribers will use this going forward. Please feel free to contact us if you have any questions or need support with this program. You can find all of our contact information on our website, primecutsmusic.com.